I will show you how to change ringtone on WhatsApp. First open WhatsApp and after that click three dot and choose your setting. After that and find notification bar, this is here, and notification bar I want to change, and calling ringtone, so calling this section and ringtone section open, and default I want to choose many according you. Okay, so if you want from gallery choose your song any personal, so add here ringtone, so three dot click. After that download section and not here my ringtone my song, so I go to file manager. So this is here my song favorite, so this is choose song and done. Okay, and select personal my song. If you not personal, so this is here choose any ringtone. Okay, or set back. You can see your ringtone set. If you want message ringtone set, so upper side scroll and message section, this is here, and click message section, ringtone open, choose any message ringtone, choose according you, and back or save, and save. Okay, automatically save back, you auto save, and your ringtone set call message. So this is way, if you like so my video, like and channel subscribe. If you my instruction not understand, so this is more information, so follow this, your problem solve. First open WhatsApp, second tab setting, and third scroll and call section, and tab ringtone, choose perfect sound and save. Okay, meet you next video.